Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can close your account on GanttPro permanently in 2026. So let us dive into this. So if you'd like to do that, guys, make sure that you log into your account on GanttPro and expand to that left sidebar by clicking into that GanttPro icon in the top left. And from that menu, guys, click into your account settings at the very bottom. Here, what you want to do is navigate to your profile settings. And below this information section here, you will see that small button, delete my account. It's a little bit hidden, but there it is. So click into it. And after that, guys, GanttPro will ask you for confirmation if you really want to do this, because as you can see, or according to this information, all data, your account data, all tasks, all projects, all of that will be deleted. So you can export that before deleting your account if you like, or you can confirm the deletion or cancel the deletion process by clicking into this button. So I would like to keep my account, so that's why I clicked cancel. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.